respect. So when I bust my rhyme, you break your neck. We got 5 minutes for us to disconnect from all intellect and let the rhythm affect. Lose our inhibition, follow your intuition, free your inner soul and break away from tradition. Cause when we be out, when it's fully beat out, you wouldn't believe how we wow. Turn it till it's burned out, turn it till it's turned out. Act up from northwest, east side. Everybody, everybody, let's get into it. Get started, get started, get started, get started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. Yeah.
Do I attract you? Do I repulse you with my crazy smile? Am I too dirty? Am I too flirty? Do I like what you like? I could be wholesome, I could be loathsome, just I'm a little bit shy. Why don't you like me? Why don't you like me without making me try? I could be down, I could be blue, I could be violent, sky, I could be helpful, I could be bad, but I could be anything you like. Try to be clean, try to be mean, try to be everything wrong. Why don't you like me? Why don't you like me?
Äärmiselt särav ja särtsakas ja vägev esitus, seda emotsiooni oli tunda siia publiku sisse, kuivõrd fun ja kokku kasvanud seltskond teil on. Nüüd aga teine täiskasvanud 2 tants tuleb Tashate tantsukooli pool.
Olete eeskujuks, ma arvan, et paljudele nii pisematele kui suurematele tantsijatele.